Peter.
Yes.
Do you remember the last time you ran this truck?
Not really, no.
No?
I can't remember.
I can't remember how to start it. Never mind.
No,
All right.
it's got to be 25 years ago. Nothing.
Nothing. You got to push the
bummy.
you got to push the thing on the
It's been a long time since
floor.
I've been in this truck.
Come on! Oh, son of a beast!
Won't stay, will it?
No.
Go ahead.
Woo! Holy! It's running! It's running! The son of a gun's running! Oh! Holy Jesus!
We'll get this thing on the road one of these days. Yeah, wheels would help.
Gorgeous day. Steve's gonna fix the frame as the truck sits right there on the trailer.
Again, I can't thank my new friend Steve enough for what he's done for me, and as he explained it, he's just trying to pay it forward.